I had a question that came up around my creamed honey is, does it ever go back to being runny honey? Um, and so it's all honey. It's just creamed honey has been forced to crystallize with very small crystals over a period of time. So we control the crystallization. And so how you store your honey is going to make a big difference. This honey here has been stored in the fridge. And so you really have to use a knife to get it out. You know, if you're going to put it on a cracker or anything, you have to actually use a knife or a spoon because it's not going to pour out. Same creamed honey over here that's just sitting out at room temperature, and it's going to pour out. And it's a lot softer. It's very creamy, but it's going to dribble and it's going to pour. So in the fridge, if you want your creamed honey to be a lot stiffer, store it in the fridge. If you want your creamed honey to be smooth and pourable or softer, you know, you're going to spread it on bread or a sandwich, then you can just leave your creamed honey out on the counter. But at the end of the day, if I was to put either of these jars out in my truck, 90-degree day, it gets hot in the truck, eventually these creamed honey jars are going to come right back to looking just like runny honey, because the crystals will melt and it'll recombine and eventually get back to being a runny honey state. It's just controlled crystallization that forces it to be firm and stiff. And then once you have your creamed honey, you can control how stiff it is or how firm or how runny by simply storing it either in the fridge or leaving it out on your counter.